Sawadika. Yeah, hello. It is my honor to deliver about ShardLab and our view on the Thailand market. So I'm from Korea. So I'm based in Seoul, and I'm from Korea, from the company called Hash. And you may be wonder why Hash is having entity here in Thailand and doing some effort in Thailand. So I will give you our view on Thailand and what is the core potential of this market and why we cares about this market. And let me start with introducing Hash. Hash is one of the largest and prestigious Web3 venture capital based in Asia. Started in 2017, we have invested more than 200, about 300 portfolios so far across the globe. We invested 80% of our portfolio in abroad, except Korea, and more than half is based in Asia. And more than 10 unicorns we have backed. So it shows that we are a early stage venture capital. We invested from the angel round to Seed A round of the tech-based startups, not only for the blockchain and AI. And we have been building the Web3 ecosystem across the globe. And we also have 5 offices across the globe, based in Seoul, US, Singapore, UAE, and also Thai. And we also have one subsidiary in India, Bangalore. So, and finally, I want to also want to deliver that we are not just a venture capital, but we describe ourselves as an ecosystem builder because we have so many subsidiaries alongside the venture capital. We also have a venture building entity which co-found a venture from the scratch. We also have a policy think tank called Hash Open Research in Korea, which is a talk between the industry and the public officials. And ShardLab is one of the outcome of our initiatives in Asian market. About 3.5 years ago, we have agreed with SCBX, the mothership of the largest bank in Thailand, to build, to research and develop the core blockchain technology and to deliver a value proposition of this blockchain into this market, not only just as a product, just as the technology, but as a ecosystem with the real cases. And today, my presentation topic is from Korea to Thailand. So I will like to start my discussion with explaining about Korea first. Korea is regarded as a global test bed for the entire tech scenes, including the Web3 market. There are 3 regions. The first one, we have one of the world's largest crypto exchange market. And secondly, we also have a very tech-savvy users. And third, we also have very cultivated startup ecosystems. So as you can see, we have the second largest the spot exchange in globally. And also, Koreans are very active to adapt a new technology. We are a number 2 in the world in terms of the paid subscribers of the ChatGPT. And it is a number 1 in terms of the paid users per capita. So even though it's a very, very early technology, Koreans do not hesitate to use it and to pay it. And it also, this explains the reason why the Korean crypto trade volume is such large. And we have very cultivated startup ecosystem. The Seoul is ranked as an 8th city in terms of the global the startup ecosystem rank. And as a country, we are 5th. And we also, recently with the new government of Korea, there are 4 big market trends are happening, which raise the Koreans to go ahead. The first one is a regulation. Our lawmakers are discussing about the Digital Asset Fundamental Act, which allows the issuers to issue Korean won stablecoin. And also, which allows a STO and RWA license. And secondly, many conglomerates are entering the market. Recently, one of the largest brokerage, equity brokerage firm acquired one of the exchanges. And one of the largest big tech company, which is a Korean Google, it has acquired our largest crypto exchange called Upbit. So something like, as you can see, now not only from the bank, but from the tech companies and also the industrial conglomerates are entering this market, even with a billion worth investment, including M&A. And third one, Korea is being global. Yeah, you may understand that K-pop, K-drama, K-IP is dominating the world, and it could be combined with the blockchain technology so that so many IP tokenization projects are happening in Korea. One of the K-pop, the entertainment agency has had a STO to grab a investment capex from the retailers. And as you can see, the industrial change also helps the development of our market. And Koreans are also very pushing AI. So there is a government-driven, nationwide the initiative on AI, not only for the AI chip model, but for the application. So for the holistic venture, the value chain, the Koreans are pushing to cultivate the ecosystem. And Web3, combining with Web3 is one of the topics the Koreans are pushing. But I think the Southeast Asia and Thailand has a definitely much bigger potential than the Korea, because as you know, the Web3 adoption rate is so huge, and the population is 15 times more than Korea. And secondly, in the world's top crypto adoption countries, among 10, 6 are from Southeast Asia. And the developer pool is growing so high. So in last year, according to the GitHub, the YOY growth of the developer pool based in Southeast Asia was 30%, which is way higher than the global average. So in every single part, it demonstrates that the recent growth rate of this market is insanely great. And I believe that Bangkok and Thai could be the hub of this growth, hub of this region. There are the similar region, and which is also covered by the previous the presentation. So Thai SEC and so many restorative effort is happening. And as you can see, all the banks and big companies are also entering the crypto market, just like Korea. And Bangkok is actually the more globalized city than Seoul and Korea. And finally, yes, the Bangkok and Chiang Mai is regarded as one of the best city for the digital nomads, the mostly the tech, for the tech people. And also, the big techs are investing into Thailand. So with the same opinion, same region that we believe that Korea is growing and has been growing, we believe that Southeast Asia and Bangkok has the same potential and more potential than Korea with the same region that we are believing in Korea. And for the use case, yeah, I will just skip it because all the restoration effort and the market ecosystem effort just explained by the gun covers this. So stablecoin, wallet, RWA, and the infra for the agentic payment will be the next use case that this region and Bangkok should focus on. So that this holistic landscape shows that what will be the end picture for this digitalized society. So with the blockchain-powered ecosystem, we need to have an official digital ID with a KYC. And also, for the AI private and personal private agent, where just ordinary people are allowed to use AI for their day-to-day financial transaction and non-financial transaction. And we're gonna need a payment, government service, community, and the open app store for a startup in the region. And this whole product should target the domestic Thai citizen, but also foreign resident, because Thai has more than 1.5 million foreign residents, and also tourists and culture consumers and other entrepreneurs as well. So I believe that Thai is the very unique place which has enough number of the domestic citizens, but also for the foreign resident or tourist or even a entrepreneur. So we believe that the entire market, should aim to build this end picture, so-called decentralized society based on blockchain technology. So I want to define this market, the Southeast Asia, especially the Thailand and Bangkok, should be a powerhouse of the value, not just for the powerhouse of the traffic or powerhouse of the user, but the powerhouse of the value with a real use case using blockchain technology. And we are helping this market with various partners in Asia. And we are also committing our efforts to cultivate the local developer community and user community and the entire ecosystem in here, Bangkok, Thailand. And that is the reason why we are hosting CBW. As Gon mentions, in May 20th, from 20th to 21st, we are going to host the CBW, which is the largest event, the global event targeting the regional Web3 ecosystem here in Bangkok. And we has been brought all the global big names to this city, Bangkok. And for this batch, this 2026 CBW, we made the whole event to be public, free and public, so that every single people in this industry easily participate on this event. And as a institution, as a builder and startup, as a just community, we are going to present many opportunities to mingle with the other party of the ecosystem or market. So please come and enjoy. Thank you. Thank you for listening to my presentation. ขอบคุณครับ
Please give him the big round of applause.